Welcome, small business owners. Are you looking to grow your reach and connect with more customers in today's fast-paced world? This video is for you. We're going to dive into the world of digital marketing and show you why it's not just a trend, but an essential tool for your business's success. We'll cover what digital marketing is, why it's so important for local businesses, and practical strategies you can start using today. Get ready to unlock your business's full potential. First off, let's understand what we mean by digital marketing. Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. It leverages online channels like search engines, social media, email, and websites to connect with current and prospective customers. So why is this important for your small business? In today's world, consumers spend a significant amount of time online. From searching for local services to discovering new products on social media, digital platforms are where your customers are. If your business isn't there, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with them. Now, let's explore some of the key digital marketing channels that can benefit your small business. Social media marketing involves using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. It's fantastic for building a community around your brand and getting direct feedback. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results like Google. When someone searches for best coffee shop near me, you want your business to appear at the top. This brings organic, high-intent traffic directly to you. Email marketing allows you to build direct relationships with your customers. You can send newsletters, promotions, and personalized updates directly to their inboxes, fostering loyalty and repeat business. Online advertising, often called pay-per-click or PPC, involves running paid ad campaigns on search engines or social media. You pay a fee each time your ad is clicked. This is great for immediate visibility and targeting specific demographics with precision. So what are the direct benefits of implementing these digital marketing strategies for your small business? First, you can reach more customers. Digital marketing breaks down geographical barriers, allowing you to connect with a wider audience beyond your immediate neighborhood, both locally and potentially regionally. Unlike traditional advertising, many digital marketing strategies are incredibly cost-effective. You can start with a small budget and scale up as your business grows. This means a higher return on your investment. Perhaps one of the biggest advantages is the ability to measure your results. With digital tools, you can track website traffic, lead generation, sales conversions, and more. This data allows you to refine your strategies for even better performance. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. Getting started with digital marketing can be broken down into a few manageable steps. First, define your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? Understanding their demographics, interests, and online behavior will help you tailor your marketing efforts effectively. Next, set clear, measurable goals. Do you want to increase website traffic by 20%? Generate 50 new leads? Boost online sales by 15%? Specific goals help you stay focused and track progress. Based on your audience and goals, choose the right channels. You don't have to be everywhere at once. Start with 1 or 2 channels where your target audience is most active and where you can achieve your goals most efficiently. Finally, create compelling content. This could be engaging social media posts, informative blog articles, eye-catching images, or short videos. High-quality content is what will attract and retain your audience. In conclusion, digital marketing is no longer optional for small businesses. It's a necessity for growth and survival in today's competitive landscape. By embracing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your visibility and profitability. Remember, it's about reaching more customers, leveraging cost-effective strategies, and accurately measuring your results to continuously improve. The online world offers immense opportunities for local businesses like yours. Don't wait. Take the first step today. Start by identifying your audience, setting clear goals, and choosing one channel to focus on. Your small business deserves to thrive in the digital age. Good luck.